Hey.
We're in Savannah, Georgia. We decided to take a trip for a couple days, and this is where we ended up.
Yep, here we are.
We are in what square? What square is this? Chippewa. No.
Chippewa. Yep, this is Chippewa Square.
Chippewa Square.
Yep.
And we're just walking around today.
Oh, they got paranormal QR codes.
Do they?
Yeah.
Where?
On the pillars back there. Yeah, this is really cool. What do you think?
It's cool. It's dangerous though if you're walking. Even the taxi cab driver, be careful, he said.
Yeah, the cobblestones get really wet, slippery. Last time we were here, they kind of hurt your feet if you're walking a lot on them. Really gorgeous though. Last night walking around, we went to the pig house and had dinner. All these older trees here. Come down over the delivery road.
Look out, like up there.
I know, it's really awesome. We got ferns growing off of the limbs. Never seen that before.
Not this much.
It's really cool.
Let's go down that way and then down the street.
Alright. Delivery row through there.
That hotel actually has a lot of, it's like a good location for walking everywhere.
It is. Right on Bay Street.
Cotton Exchange building. It's right over here.
Yep. Right there, that big red one. The Freemasons Hall. Savannah is definitely one of those walk-in cities.
Yeah.
You're fine. See, the chief of the Yomacraw is actually buried under there.
This one?
Yeah. Or they had that moved. I can't remember.
Right.
I have it on the card. Right.
You're right.
So Chief Tamachichi is, his grave is under this monument to Sir Gordon, which is the founder of the Georgia Railroad, Savannah Georgia Railroad. And his daughter-in-law had mentioned that that was kind of absurd that they'd put it over his grave. So this is Oglethorpe Street and Bull. This part goes all the way down and across. We're gonna walk down Bull Street. We're gonna pass through Chippewa Square.
He's gonna let us go. Then he's gonna run us over.
Right? Another pretty square. the Spanish moths hanging from the trees in the early morning sun. Well, it's not early morning. I think it's like
9:30.
Master Oglethorpe. Oh, fire. Looks like a handsome man in his time.
I think I'd date him.
Would you date him?
Oh, I'd date him. He's kind of good looking.
He's tall.
I can see under his skirt. No, that's neat.
General James Edward Oglethorpe.
Oh, he's named after you.
Yeah. Yep.
Mr. Oglethorpe.
People look at this and after this scene.
There you go. Maybe this is the square where they filmed Forrest Gump.
You just don't remember, do you?
I don't remember.
You just keep thinking all of them.
This is Madison Square. James Madison. It's really pretty. I like it.
I like it.
I like all the squares.
Yeah, I do too.
Revolutionary War cannon. Another one over there. They're doing some beautification.
We'll find like some topping place and
See where
a little bit. You know what I
there's
mean?
writing on the barrel. 1763. The Eliza Thompson House.
That's a good stay.
That was an amazing stay. I know you can't really see the detail, but it's really well done. It's kept up really
Gorgeous
good.
courtyard.
The right side right there, they have a little sitting area that
What's that?
that you can sit and you can have coffee and tea, and then in the evenings they have cheese and wine.
I like staying there.
Yeah. And then they have a courtyard in the back. It's really good.
100% recommend.
Oh yeah, 100%.
It's a little pricey, but it's worth it.
This is part of the courtyard to the Eliza Thompson. Magnolia trees. It's a historic inn of Savannah.
This one?
Yeah, they had the placard and everything. Montgomery Square. More Spanish moss in the oak trees. Yeah, I think you're right. Once you get away from the riverfront and downtown,
There's a lot less.
there's a lot less homeless and beggars. But it is still sad.
Yeah. So it could be just it always was like that. We just never stayed that part of town before.
Right. And every square that you go to has the informational markers that you can read. If you're a reader like me, I like to read all of them. I've read them all before, and
I don't read any of the plaques.
I could read them again.
I do read the plaques.
You want me to read them again?
No.
I can stop and read them. Look, a Russian-born sculptor.
You just picked out words in the middle.
But he's the one that made the monument.
But you're the one. You just picked it out in the middle of it.
I know.
If I'm going to read something, I'll read the first paragraph and maybe the end a little bit. I'm not going to read the whole thing. And I read a lot faster than you.
Yeah.
So after the word, the monument erected, after the word erected, I'm like, what? And then I just...
That's it. That's all you need to know is that it was erected.
It was erected. It's there. I know it's there.
Yeah. Very pretty city though.
Mm-hmm.
Come to the park, you can sit, watch the squirrels playing. Like that one there on the tree. And they don't care about the people really. Like that one that, there was one that I got from here probably 4 feet away from. They don't care.
What?
Yeah, they're city squirrels. Well, that doesn't mean anything because our squirrels are freaked out about me.
Why are they?
I don't know. Last time we were here, there was a guy that would take your picture for $1.
I don't think it was $1. It was whatever you gave him.
Whatever you could give him.
I betcha he's still here, but at night. It was always night.
Probably, yeah.
I'll capture a photo from that. Put it up higher now. It's where we are.
We're at Forsyth Park. Them city squirrels. You know what I mean, huh?
I gotta go get a picture of a squirrel.
Alright. It's squirrel time.
Where'd it go? Oh my god, it was quick. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, check that out.
Well, the house, I told them that you have to reject that in case we need it.
Now, no sun here. Not this way for the Confederate dead of Georgia.
Come here, baby. Here, baby. I got you something. I really thought he was going to come after me. Did you?
I thought so.
I thought for sure I got.
I thought, oh man, I've got a squirrel whisperer. St. John's Cathedral. Very pretty.
Yeah. And then we
It'd be above your head. We've been in there.
Yep. Here we are at Oglethorpe Square again.
Oh yeah. No, it's an inn.
President's quarters. Looks like a parking lot. President's Quarters Inn. Love that front entranceway. I like how the stairs wrap around in the front.
I guess it's a museum. I guess we can look into it tonight or tomorrow.
Okay.